Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I have another Stitch Fix unboxing and like cue the heavenly choirs. I finally kept something. I know it's a miracle. I think it's been since like October since I kept something. It has been almost a year. This is comprised of some things I'm keeping from my box as well as some things I'm keeping from Shop Your Looks. So let's go ahead and dive in. First up is this top here. Now, interestingly enough, this is a linen Rainn blend. So you guys know, like blah, 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 I'm not gonna be keeping it, but it's super cute, right? Like I totally appreciate the cute factor of this top. It's got this sweet little polka dot design in the front. And then in the back, it switches to like the stripes, which I think is so dear. Those cap sleeves are absolutely darling. This has a really comfortable fit as well. Plus it's one of those tops where you can literally wear it with anything, jeans, pants, shorts, tuck it into a skirt. I mean, the possibilities are absolutely endless. I think for the right person, it would be a super cute option to add to your collection. So the interesting thing about this box, which was a luxe box, is that it wasn't as luxey as that last one, which was so pricey. This one definitely had more reasonable price points, but it also didn't have as many cotton and linen options, which was a disappointment. Like I just thought for sure if I up to a luxe box, like the cotton and linen clothing would just be rolling in, and that was not the case. But the next item they sent me was this jumpsuit here. Now, again, this is not cotton or linen, so I won't be keeping it, but it's super cute, right? Great shade for pushing into the fall season. Love the scalloping along the bodice. I'm not sure if you're going to be able to see on camera, but it also has that scalloping detail on the pockets. This is a wider leg. I believe this is rayon, and it's actually really comfortable on. So again, for the right person, it would be perfect. And then it does have this sexy little opening in the back with nice little brass button details to snap or shut. And you do have the adjustable straps. What I love about a jumpsuit like this is that darker color I just think is so sophisticated. Plus, it's so easy to layer something as simple as a denim jacket over this, so you can extend the wear into the fall season. Okay, so this next top, immediately I was like, no, just because of the color. If there is a color that I cannot stand, it is this shade of green. It is just, I don't understand it. I'm not sure if it's trying to be grayish, greenish, whatever, but it does have this beautiful kind of like inlay design. It also has a little bit of a sheer factor to it, so you're definitely seeing what's going on underneath. Oddly enough, this is a poly cotton blend, and you guys, it is the scratchiest fabrication I have ever had on my skin. Oh my gosh, literally felt like this was going to remove a layer of epidermis when I had it on. I don't know what's going on with this top. I think it's just because of how it's texturized. It gives that really like scratchy feel. Classic crew neck design, nothing crazy going on. I appreciate the beauty of the design and the sheer factor that can be very pretty when combined. Plus, this is another versatile option for the right person because you can wear it in so many different ways. I actually styled it with one of my favorite white midi skirts, which is how I styled the next two tops. So I'm going to show you all three together in a minute. But one of the cotton tops I did receive in this box was this puff sleeve number here. And you guys, you know I am crazy about a puff sleeve. 100% cotton. Love this minty green color. It is mint perfection. I absolutely adore this top. It is so comfortable on. The cotton is absolutely stunning. And I think the price point for being Stitch Fix is actually really reasonable. Again, with the puff sleeves, love the little ruffle detailing at the end. Nothing crazy going on in the back, but this just has like a beautiful drape and flow to it. I love tops like this, again, for the versatility. I can totally see myself wearing this with a great pair of shorts, as easily as with a pair of jeans, as easily tucked into that skirt I'm gonna show you. So the next top I received in this box was 100% linen, which, yay, I'm so glad they actually had an option like this to send along. While it's not something I'm going to keep, for the right person, I think this would be a great addition to your collection because that beautiful floral print looks like a watercolor, which I think is really, really stunning. Again, 100% linen. This is a really nice linen. It feels really good on the skin. It is just a crew neck design. It is slightly sheer, but not crazy. And as far as I'm concerned, like if you're going to ante up and pay this much money for basically what amounts to a t-shirt, I do think it's nice that you have the option of versatility, another shirt that you can basically wear any way you want to. So I'm gonna show you how this one and those first two tops look with that white midi skirt. Okay, so that did it for what my stylist sent me in this box, but I was able to snag 2 pieces of clothing from Shop Your Looks. Now, interestingly enough, both these pieces had shown up in my feed, and each time I'd put them in my cart, I would start to hem and haw, and then they would sell out. The reason I was hemming and hawing was because of the price point of each, and full disclaimer, the only reason why I bought these 2 pieces of clothing, which I think are way overpriced for what they are, although they're beautiful, is because I had some Stitch Fix referral credits to burn up. I had no idea that those referral credits expire after 90 days. So keep that in mind. They do have a shelf life. Mine were literally about to expire. So it was like a fast and furious scrolling through Shop Your Looks. And I'm so glad that both of these items popped up again. Now, despite the price point of this 100% beautiful, creamy, off-white cotton mini dress, which I love, I do think this is absolutely adorable. Oh my gosh, I am in love with this tiered skirt. It does not have pockets, but I love it anyway. Love the little design detail on the shoulders, just adds like a really nice texture. And while this is not lined, it has a nice opacity to it. So I don't find it to be see-through at all. And then again, just a nice continuation of that beautiful simplicity in the back. This is an option that I think looks absolutely fabulous on its own, but I love the way it looks as well, layered under a denim jacket, which makes me so happy because then I know I can wear a dress like this into the fall season, and that helps to justify the price point. And then the other piece of clothing I bought via Shop Your Looks with my referral credits was this jumpsuit here. Oh my goodness. Now again, I feel like this is way overpriced for what it is. Way overpriced. However, that being said, I am madly in love with this jumpsuit. This warm brown cinnamon color is just so perfect. I love it so much. Oh. The little plunginess in the front is like just the right amount of plunge. So it gives you like a little edge of danger without going over that edge, which I love. It does have pockets. It does have a higher waist that is adjustable with that drawstring. But what I love most about this are these crazy wide legs. You guys know I love wide-legged anything. This is as comfortable on as it looks. It literally feels like pajamas, but looks so stunning on the body. It has the perfect drape. I think this would look absolutely stunning dressed up with a pair of black heels for date night. You could easily throw on something like a cropped moto jacket just to give it like a little bit more of an edge. But despite how you wear it, this is a stunner. I am so grateful to have this in my collection. I love it. Okay guys, and finally, I did actually add 2 extras into this box. It's basically the same bralette, just in different shades of pink. The one I ended up keeping is a very pale pink, almost like a nude color that is so stunning. I cannot show it to you because I fell in love with it and have worn it multiple times and it's in the laundry. But this is the darker pink version of that same bralette. If you are looking to add one of these to your collection, highly recommend. Number one, the price point is perfection. This has such a gorgeous fit to it. Oh my goodness. Plus, it has the ability to make you look as though you are far more blessed than you might be. That's what I found. I put it on and was like, oh, hello. This is so comfortable on. I just love all the lace, all the beautiful feminine details. It does have adjustable straps, which is also lovely. So again, this just hits all the marks for me. I think it comes in black as well as the 2 shades of pink. The black keeps selling out, so just keep an eye out for it in your extras. You will not be disappointed in this little girl. Okay guys, so that'll do it for my latest Stitch Fix. And I gotta tell you, while I am over the moon that I was able to finally find a couple things from Stitch Fix to add to my collection, I've decided just to take a little break from Stitch Fix for a while. I don't know. I've been getting Stitch Fixes for the past 5 years. I think it's a great service. I think it has its merits. I think it has cute clothing for certain people depending on what you're looking for. It's just for me personally, there does not consistently seem to be a lot in their inventory that just fits what I'm looking for at this time. And also, I personally just feel like Stitch Fix's prices are crazy. I'm not sure how they're gonna keep competing with boxes like Fashom, which has really upped their game. If you guys saw my most recent Fashom unboxing, it totally blew me away. Beautiful cotton clothing, beautiful linen clothing. The prices are on point, and I love their tiered discount program where if you buy like, I think at least 3 items, you start to get a discount. Whereas with Stitch Fix, I just think it's antiquated that you still have to buy 5 items to get any discount whatsoever. And again, their price points, just comparing what you can find at retail, even with other subscription boxes, I think Stitch Fix is just like way up there in price. I just feel like they're gonna have a hard time competing at this point, but that is just me. But in any event, we're gonna hit pause for a little while. I'm still gonna kind of like check out to see what's rolling through on my Shop Your Looks. Maybe in a month or 2, we'll see what's going on, revisit Stitch Fix, but it's been a good run, but it's definitely time to take a break. However, if you guys love Stitch Fix or you're intrigued by Stitch Fix and you want to give it a go, I still have that referral code down below. If you use it, it'll kick $25 off your first box, and as a courtesy, the company will kick me a $25 credit, which hopefully I would use at some point. I am so curious to hear, like, it always seems to be a mixed bag in the comments. People that love Stitch Fix, people that are just totally frustrated with Stitch Fix. I'm curious to hear where you're at this point in time, because like I said, it is just time for this girl to take a little break. But in any event, thank you guys so much for sharing your time with me today. I hope you're having a good one, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.